What's up, guys? What up, Dave? What up, Nick? Get your Mac Jones. How you little PC there, buddy? Mr. Chopich, Packers by 10. Ooh.
I'll take that bet.
Oh, Brett wants to take it. Oh, can you add? Did you send Connor or Steve Scott his link yet?
Yep, sent it.
Yeah. Just pay. Hit me $1 extra next time. C Scott. Let me change that. Hang on one sec. All right, C Scott is active. Just remind me next time I send you a link to add an extra buck on there. You are good to go. All right. Where would Brett put the knife? There we go. No, I didn't see the Brady Kaboom. Nasty. I haven't been in much Absolute. I need to, though. We do Pro Set first, end with Absolute. That is nasty. I have yet to pull a Kaboom, so we're due. Tomorrow, Update comes out. Update Baseball. Very exciting product. Probably do a little bit of it when it comes in. Not sure how. Figure that out. What up, Mr. Mike? Thanks for your help today.
Mike didn't do shit for me.
Yeah. 18 grand. And he denied it. Oh my god. Nope, I paid Brandy. Someone offered him 18 grand on the spot, but he wants to grade it instead for a $33 buy-in. Who hit that? He needs to sell that for 18 grand.
Your car for Brandy?
Yep. Dang. I mean, it's his card, but holy Nikes, I would have sold that for 18. All right. There we go. That hides everything. Taking the cash and run, absolutely. I would have, as Brett said, yeah. I don't know if you can hear Brett over there, but yeah, me too. Tell Brett to say that to my face, he says. Yeah, Jarrett Patterson, pink crystal ice, whatever they're calling it, for Washington. Nice Brady rookie, right? Buying out a nice down payment on a car. Real nice down payment. Got a Josh Johnson. Brett is going to look at that one for us, huh?
Who?
Josh Johnson. Football. 9 of 20. Josh Johnson. Yeah, I would definitely sell that. Seahawks. But, I mean, if it comes at 10.
Well, he joined the NFL in 2008. Is that something?
Nope, that does not sound right. Let me get back to you on that Josh Johnson. Stevie Scott. Brett's backed up here. Let's check Stevie Scott. Hang on, I'll check Stevie.
Josh Johnson might be the Jets.
Might be the Jets with the Josh Johnson.
Yep, last week the Jets signed veteran quarterback Josh Johnson. Is that better?
Yes. No. No. Broncos, Stevie Scott. Where's Josh Johnson?
Seattle Seahawks.
Seahawks.
Signed by Seattle. Right.
Veteran, though?
No.
No.
Signed his own drafted free agent.
For the Titans, Caleb Farley on the black. It is 14 of 30. Puka Williams. Puka Williams. I've heard that name before, but not since Score. Red Ice, whatever. 9 of 50. Bengals. Puka. Anthony Puka Williams Jr. Absolutely. All right. There's a Mac Daddy. Nice hit. Pro Set Prospect. Blue Crystal. 5 of 7. Nice short print. 5 of 7. Mac Jones. Bitch. And our first auto going to the Eagles. Jamie Newman. On the blue Mojo-like design. 3 of 3. Nice short print. You had me some more 55s, sir. Next one up, going to the Colts. Kwity Payne. Yeah, that is a good start. It's going to be 13 of 50 on the Kwity. So I'm going to toss up some update when it comes. I'm not sure how. Look at the checklist. I don't know if Wander's on there or not. Next one, I'm going to the Eagles. Kenneth Gainwell. Number 4 inscription.
Lots of heritage baseball.
Lots of heritage baseball. 15 of 15. You can do heritage personals if people are interested. Only $75 a box. You can do those tomorrow. There are 2 autos. Brad, a little help. Jacoby Stevens. You don't have to run. Jacoby Stevens. Jacoby. Jacoby. Safety to 75. You don't think Wander's an update? That makes it a lot less appealing. Eagles, Jacoby Stevens. Oh, yep. I will glance at the checklist. Oof. Oof to the next one. Oof. 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 Got a Shuba Hubbard for the Panthers. Purple. 11 of 30. And how about Trevor Lawrence? Nice hit. It is on the orange. It is 3 of 7. 3 of 7 T-Law auto. Nice hit. Boom. What was what? Brett? He's making lots of noise. I think he's excited around shop close time. Nice hit. 3 of 7 orange crystal T-Law. Boom. Let's check out the Trin. Haven't done too much Trinity this year. It's not bad, though. It's got super cool patches.
Dave Cook with the Jags.
Dave Cook hit that? Nice. That'll be dropped off to Hartford and Greenfield tomorrow. And Kenosha will be ready. And everything will ship out tomorrow. Shipped yesterday. Or I'm sorry, shipped today for yesterday. Yes, Michael Essie. Your cards and memorabilia are available for pickup in Kenosha.
Kind of taking on its own wing.
First card out going to the Vikings. Patrick Jones, 4 of 50. Kelnick is? Okay. That makes it a little more exciting. Next one up going to the Cleveland Browns. Anthony Schwartz. 7 of 50. It's not going to Steven. Got a redemption. Put it on the bottom there. There A. And another Eagles Newman. That is a 2-color patch. Auto. Jamie Newman. It is not numbered. And, Israel Mukwamu. Brett. Israel Mukwamu. It is a 1 of 1. Jeez Louise. Is that the 1 of 1 pot on Israel Mukwamu? Mukuamu. Israel Mukwamu. Might have. Cowboys? Is that you again?
Is it?
Yep. Brett's taking another 25% of the pot.
Let's go!
Israel Mukwamu. 25%. That's what we agreed upon because Brett keeps hitting the damn
I
thing.
feel like 1900.
You don't have shit. All right. Redemption. Leaf Trinity Football. Well, that was not very dramatic. J.C. Horn going to the Panthers. Nice hit, Brett. That is when the 25% of 782 might be worth more than the card. All right. Let's get a good box. No P words. We're due for a kaboom. We're due for the other one. What is the other one again? Explosive. Got some short printed explosives. 12.5% for claiming a spot.
Mike has claimed all these spots.
I feel like Brett didn't even know football was up. This gets payment tagged. All right, box one. Good luck. We got Chris Evans to 100 for the Bengals. Joe Mixon and Randall Cobb. Still a Texan. First patch up. Tools of the trade. TJ Hawkinson for the Lions. Booklets, autos. Well, I know. You're picking them all sorts of good numbers. Nice 3-color, 2-color. Tools of the trade to 49. That's why I'd only given him 25% of the pot.
What happens if you hit a 101 now?
If you hit a 101 now, you get the rest. If you hit a 101 and your name isn't Brett Bazat, you win whatever 75% of 782 is. And our first autograph, 24 of 60. Got a helmet, a football, a 2-color patch, and a single-color patch. Rookie Premier Devonta Smith. Nice card for the Eagles. No, Brett cannot add to his 25%. Nope. Ooh, I think I see a kaboom.
Shut up.
I don't know. Certainly looks like it. Seems like a fuzzy pattern. I have a feeling if we pull a 101, someone will take 18 grand. And boom, that is a nice one. Sick hit for the Bills. Josh Allen on the kaboom. Nasty. Will sell well as well. Sell well as well. Nice hit.
Justin Mini, stay hot, Justin.
Is that Lammers?
Yeah.
Lammers? Nice hit. Lower numbered yet. Nice hit. Boom. It's a good player to get. Their fans love to overpay. We got Hunter Henry going to the Pats. Justin Jefferson.
Did you go right to the kaboom?
Yeah. Carlos Boogie Basham to 250. I always go to the insert on the end first. And for the Browns, Demetric Felton. He's actually doing okay, isn't he? Or am I thinking of the other Brown? 23/100 rookie autograph. All right, last box. Good luck. Nice kaboomy is right. It'd be one of the top 5 I would want. Not as like PC. But if I was going to hit one, probably like Brady, T-Law. Well, top 10. All the rookies, I guess. And then Brady, Mahomes. He's up there, though. Aaron Donald to 75. Fitzmagic. Devin White. Go Browns. What up, Armelli? Got Canton Absolutes. Frank Gore to 199 with a single color patch. Player worn. All right, last card of the break. It's a short printed Jag. Jalen Camp. I think we have 2 of the 10 autographs. I believe this was pulled last night out of 10. There are only 8 more in the world that we have not pulled. Jalen Camp, 2 of 10. I forgot what the other was number, but it was definitely to 10 on the Camp. So close. Pretty solid break for the price. A lot of good stuff. Let's do a recap. Brett's going to break basketball from his house. I believe it just got randomed. Got our kaboom, Josh Allen. Mac Jones on the ice, 5 of 7. We got Puka to 50. Caleb Farley to 30. Stevie Scott to 35. Josh Johnson to 20. And Jarrett Patterson to 25. And our hits. We are cornering the market. We just need 8 more. And no one can ever get the Jalen Camp rainbow that hasn't broken here. We got Jalen Camp, 2 of 10. A little bit of something up there. We got Frank Gore to 199. Canton Absolute Material. Mitchell Felton to 100. Had a nice quad patch to 60. Devonta Smith. Hawkinson to 49. Got J.C. Horn redemption for the Panthers. Israel Mukwanmu for the Cowboys, and 25% of the 101 pot to Brett. Jamie Newman, not numbered, 2-color RPA for the Eagles. Schwartz, 7 of 50. Patrick Jones to 50. Big Trevor Lawrence, 3 of 7, nice hit. Chuba Hubbard to 30. Jacoby Stevens to 75. Kenneth Gainwell to, what is that, 15? Not bad, 15 of 15. Quiddy to 50. And Jamie Newman, 3 of 3. All right, guys, appreciate it. I will try to figure out update tomorrow. Get some baseball going. Might throw up a random teams as well. I know it's a little pricier with Absolute in there, but we'll do the best we can. Maybe get some Origins going tomorrow. I haven't done that in a while. Thanks, guys.